drifting in the fucking factory. We're out here and we've hired a little bit of a warehouse for the day, or for a few minutes. It's this man's warehouse. Thank you for hiring the warehouse to us. What a gent. You can see everybody's working hard at work and we out here playing. We're taking full advantage of the little bit of time we've got with the warehouse. And myself and Ruthless 66, we're going to be sending it. We're going to be sending Jimmy Oakes a nice shout out as well, because he's going to the LC Festival in Ireland. It's Colin. That's Colin. I love him too. I love you too, Colin. Oh, Warren over here, Mr. Ruthless 66, doing his thing in his Auto Style Motorsport sponsored 200 SX with the 3UZ. We had a little bit of an issue today because we were supposed to do this and Chase's car rocked up and it was spitting oil everywhere. The oil cooler pipe just decided it wanted to burst on the way to my house, and guess who? Him and I, we had to play Panic Mechanic, but we eventually came right. We disconnected the oil cooler and now we
silence in back there.
Yeah, everybody's out here working. Like I said, we've got a full functional warehouse.
Everyone's working and we playing.
Well, we're playing, so we're gonna play and we're gonna put a video together for you guys. A little bit of a send. We've been wanting to do this for a long time before this warehouse becomes full. You can see everybody's out there waiting to see what's going to be happening, what's going to be popping. Got Kylie over there, and we've got the two V8s making a little bit of noise. We get some pops and bangs for you guys. Throw a few people in the car. We might not get anybody in the car though, but some cool action coming your way. Hope you like.
And now what's this? What did he sound go?
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you can hear that, but that is a V8 and another V8. We are about to be doing some drifting in the fucking factory! What was that? That was insane, ladies and gentlemen. Insane! Yeah, they're coming back. Fuck, Jason's arse nearly hit you, boots. Wow. Nuts.
Do you want to follow a line? Follow one line. Oh, is it art? I'm gonna just shoot down one, have a look, see.
The ruthlessness. Here comes JDM Fanatic. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the fucking best! Nuts! Nicely done. That was sick.
brother. Too much.
I just watching. What is this?
What do you think, Paulie?
Yes, sir, guys, I can't believe what I've seen now. And then now, I'm the rock this side. Yeah? This side. Let's go this side.
Jimmy boy. Hey, Jim Bob. Jim Bobby Boo. We just want to say good luck at the LZ Festival, boy.
An Irish one, you're going to take it because we know you got Irish blood in you.
Hopefully it's going to be an R33. We hired out this whole warehouse just in honor of you and good luck commemoration.
So we just want to do a couple sends for you, just to say our man over in Ireland.
We're going to do a send for you because you're going to do a send for the whole entire world. Our favorite YouTube personality.
What's up, what's up? Take 3. We have probably 25% battery life left. There's JDM Fanatic. That's the Ruthless song. That's the extension. There's my spots. It's my cone, it's my cone. Hopefully they don't hit the cone this time.
shit. It was the water, my bad, bro. Fuck. It ended in sadness.
You got extra paint.
You know what happened?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did earlier. I shit myself.
Take to stop shit, bro. Dude, my bad.
The day has come to a sad end.
Final sad ending.
I wonder why. Sad ending for me. I'm glad,
Ah.
but it's a happy ending at the same time
No,
for me.
it's a
At
super
least I
sad
didn't. At least I didn't bump you, because I would have felt way worse than you bumping me.
I heard some R. Kelly tracks bump and grind earlier, and it was one of those things. I got caught up in the moment.
I think he just wants to show his affection and love, because that was just a love tap.
It was a love tap.
He
It's a
like
bump bump.
tapped my ass right about there. But anyways, I think that was a sick day.
It can all be fixed. We're gonna put hands in. We're gonna sort it out. But
Chase is gonna grind for once.
I'm sorry.
I'm
cool.
so excited now. I wonder if he's gonna do the painting or if I'm gonna do the painting.
I think if you want it to come out right, you're gonna do. I'll do the prepping.
Okay, you do the prep, I'll do the paint.
Sweet.
Okay, well,
Good on you.
you know the story, right? If you liked what you saw, I'm just getting Colin to hold the camera up here. If you like what you saw, subscribe to this man's. I gotta apologize for what just happened. The GoPro decided to bomb out on me, the battery died, and in the middle of our outro, it just went boom, cheers, and it was so saucy. So anyways, like my man was gonna say, or I was gonna say, is follow this guy, Ruthless66_ZA on Instagram and on YouTube, because we're going to be opening up his YouTube channel soon. I've motivated him, I've convinced him. He's an epic driver. He deserves to put his stuff online. And then we're going to do a joint account, which is the JDM dudes, because we always do our motorsport stuff together. We're drifting, we're racing, we're doing everything together. So best thing to do is put it together. Then whilst we're doing that together, we're going to be doing reviews on people's cars. This car, that car. We're going to start off on our own cars, and then we're gonna get out there to other people who want their cars reviewed. We'd love to do a stock 135 versus a modded 135, you know, do a comparison, see what the two drive like. Chase is gonna be sitting in the driver's seat in this car and that car, then I'm gonna do it, and we're gonna give our different reviews and our opinions on it. We're gonna get that guy out of here because it's been sitting for way too long. That 1J needs to come back to life. We've got all this ethanol that needs to be used up. We've got a new car build that's coming up. I bought a new car. It's right behind this door. It is bone stock. It is factory. The way it came out of the factory in the late 90s, 2000s. I'm not gonna tell you the year because then you guess what car it is. But these are big boy wheels and they are brand new. They're Lenzos. These are perfect. These are 9.5J, 265 tire, but the other two are 11J, so I'm gonna have to cut and join and weld and make it nice. The other two are in that box over there, as you can see. Yes, it's a bit of a mess, and the other car's right over here. I'm not going to show you guys, but I'll show you that it's black. There we go. The Skyline is here. Painted the wheels bronze. I don't think I'm a big fan of the color. I'm going to go back to gray or black, and this has wastegate issues we've got to sort out, and then we can take this for a review and a drive and a spin and make some noises because we've got a new turbo, new clutch. And the SX has some boo-boos. Oh, shame. Poor SX, look at you, you've been bumped. Shame. So I just want to give a shout out to my boy Carl at Dirt Nurse Products. He's hooking myself and Chase up with a sponsor, which is fantastic. I'm so hyped about it. So Carl's graphics are going to be put on the car here and on the rear quarter, just to show our appreciation. Dirt Nurse is a car care product, so your shampoos, your ceramics, your wheel shampoos, and you know, the whole range of everything. He's going to be hooking us up, and you know what the best thing about Carl is? He's a drifter as well, so we're gonna all be fucking drifting together. I look forward to it. You know the deal. If you like what you saw, hit the bell button on top, hit the like button below, share with your friends. Come on, boys and girls, if you love what you saw, or even if you liked what you saw and you want the South African scene to grow a little bit, share it with your friends. Let's get everybody involved. Let's Let's educate people about the drifting scene. Come through. We're going drifting on the 5th of August at the Rock Raceway. Come through. Let's make it a vibe. Let's get everybody involved. If you've got a 325, E36 or E46 BMW and you want to throw it around, bring it through. You need some guide or a little bit of guidance and some pointers, let us know. We'll jump in with you. We'll give you some tips. It'll be fun. Bring your friends along. Bring a bride. Do whatever. It'll be amazing. I hope to see you guys there. If I do see you guys there and you call me Tony Poloni, I'll give you a ride in my SX. How does that sound for a deal? Yeah? Done. I'll see you guys there. Till next time. Till the next video. Peace.